Hello, it's Stephen C. Campbell. Allow me to spend some time to tell you more about the Digital Marketing for Companies, Social Media and Beginner to Advanced Facebook Marketing Strategy Development Workshop that we will be running soon. Essentially, the program is divided into two halves. In the first half, at the very beginning of the first half, as a foundation, we talk about basic marketing fundamentals. We talk about channel marketing, category marketing, and market segmentation. In addition to this, we speak about the business branding equity formula, and using these together, the marketing fundamentals and the branding equity formula, tie these into all social media activities. So now to the social media. We speak about content, because everything you do on social media is based around content. And the content should not just be about us, our company, but produced with a view to connecting to previous and prospective clients. With social media, we speak about Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook, and how to use the content on the foundation of brand equity and marketing fundamentals to connect to clients through these mediums. For the second half, we move from beginner to advanced Facebook marketing strategy development. We tie this into using Facebook for market segmentation, for lead generation, for advanced customer segmentation using parameters such as custom audiences and the Facebook pixel to drive deep down into connecting with clients, delivering maximum value, leading to customer satisfaction and revenue generation. So, if you want to move beyond posted images and about us articles on Facebook and social media to using social media and Facebook for strategic marketing, we'll see you soon at the next seminar. And if you have any questions, please feel free to get in touch. I'm Stephen C. Campbell, and we'll speak to you very soon. Thank you.